Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm testing out something I have been super curious about. The Iba Plant Keratin Next Gen Hair Serum. It has argan oil, claims to protect from heat and harmful UV rays, but how well does it actually work? Let's take a quick look at the packaging. It's sleek, minimal and fuss-free. And I love that it's 100% vegan and cruelty free too. So I have already washed my hair and now I'm applying a small amount of the serum. The texture is really light and non-sticky and it spreads easily. You just need a tiny bit, don't overdo it. Now let's do something a little extra, a quick heat resistance test. We are going to do a cotton bud test. And first I'll show you how it would be if the cotton bud is directly exposed to heat. It's completely burned and couldn't resist the heat. So I have applied the serum to the cotton bud and now I am going to expose it to heat. This way we can see if it leaves behind any residue or smell, just like when we use our regular hair tool. Okay, it held up better than I expected. There's no heavy burning smell and no sticky residue. It's pretty impressive for a plant-based serum. Now that I have applied the serum and tested it, let's see how my hair handles heat styling. As you can see, my hair feels smooth and there's a subtle shine to it, no frizz or flyaways. Honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I'm actually quite impressed. It works well as a pre-styling serum and definitely gives a smooth finish. If your hair tends to get frizzy or dull after styling, this could be a game changer. This is the styled side and this is the non-styled side. I think you can clearly see the difference. So that's it for today. If you have used this serum before, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you are thinking of trying it, the product link is given in the description below. See you in my next video. Bye.